So I'll start by taking a step back and we'll look at what kind of different visitors you might have on your websites, how that impacts the analytics that you're looking at, and what challenges that might cause. So let's say you have a website and it's visited, of course, by humans, but also by agents and bots. And by the way, this might not be to scale for your specific business. Each one is different. Inside of agents and bots, you have various categories like scrapers, AI agents, the rising one, search bots, and so on and so forth. Now, let's say that on your website, you have a typical analytics solution, which will rely on some sort of JavaScript snippet, and it will capture the activity from all these visitors. The question is, what portion of these circles will be covered by your analytics? You will have, of course, the human activity covered, not all of it, because some people will opt out of analytics, but you will also have some of the agent and bot activity covered. And that's because some of these agents and bots do run JavaScript. Now, this creates three distinct challenges, and I will walk through each of them in a moment, but I'll just give you an overview of what they are. So the first one is the skewed metrics, and this happens because for instance, scrapers and some of the other bots, they will run JavaScript, and so they will end up in your analytics data, and they will distort the metrics that you typically look at. The second challenge is that as of now, the majority of the AI agents will not run JavaScript, and they will not show up in your analytics. So it's kind of the reverse problem. The challenge here is the lack of visibility, and that doesn't really let you optimize for AI. Now, the third challenge is more nuanced. Traditionally, we have assumed that you have human sessions and you have agent and bot sessions, but that's actually no longer true. Because as soon as you start using an agentic browser, you might have both a human and an agent browsing within the same very session. So agentic browsers is a separate category and its own host of challenges, which we'll cover last in this presentation.